Hello and welcome back to the Epics, the Dirt Blocker. I sort of started going eco-friendly, and I'll be working on this as much as possible. Get that down instead of my water generator things. So yeah, I've put some glass fire because it holds most power. It all meets up in that one input in the back box, and up here. Now, the first 4 of these were set up by Melon Pope, who I believe shown in my second video, maybe? Yeah. I've gotten a couple people have said that I'm a little too quiet. I don't know how to resolve that. I've got my mic volume on max. You know, I've checked everything. I don't know what's the problem, guys. So yeah, help me out with that, please. Something right for the pause I put in shortly before recording. This might not be enough problems. I'm hoping it is. Yes. Okay, so I had enough of that. And how do I make an electric wrench? I might as well show you these. Yeah, here is the electric wrench, my electronic circuit with RE battery. You don't have to charge the battery up. I should have some tin in here. No, I don't. I just want to make sure that I got the bars instead of them clinking to copper ones. I did the smart thing, so yeah. Got a bit of iron ore in here. That thing, and the transposer should be sucking out. I don't know. Oh, that might be lag from it moving some iron. Yeah, it's moving iron. So yeah. What I'm actually gonna do, because I'm slowly, very, very slowly starving to death. I'm gonna cook up some chickens. Over the course of the video. So yeah, yes, let's see, 4, redstone, maybe was the redstone. 2 redstone, and a copper cable, which I have in my inventory. There's voltage. I was in his second video, and told you how to find my channel for those of you who also watch him. So yeah, go check out voltage. Just gonna turn this up. There we go. So yeah, I decided to tell voltage what's up, because you know, it's friendly. Someone, oh, never mind, he left. He's probably considering the video clip. I should have 3 ready chickens. Oh, there it is. Alright, somehow it got past me. Nom 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 nom. So yeah, being the skilled EE player, I should have, things like the, I don't know. I have to cut off the transposer yet again. Just let those finish, you know. So yeah, but I want to make, I know how to make a refined iron, obviously. So yeah, single, I'm gonna get single regular iron. Just gonna take that out, put that in, put you back in with select. I wonder if voltage is just having problems connecting. Looks like it, doesn't it? Still another recording. So yeah, it's not gonna find out when coming up. So I was just whispering to myself. I made the mistake of that again. So yeah, I need more redstone immediately. And 2. So that might be me having to go. Yay. Alright, that there. That there. That there. There we go, electric range. So yeah, I'm gonna drain the crap out of everything. So yeah, what I'm using them smart. Power coming here. Probably not the wisest. Okay, just like a little bit of power, a little bit of juicing. We'll move it over. Ow! Scary much? I think it's because I was using higher voltage power. No. God. Well, there went the macerator. Horrid video, I'll be truthful. Loading just now. Lol. Oops. Worst video ever. Yeah, I'll have to make another macerator. Why is the texture going on the room? Add the wires. So I need a total of 9 refined iron. 9 refined iron. Oh god, why macerator? Why? I just wanted to use it as a bigger power source. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next is 1 for the circuit. And the rest is gonna go to the machine block. Oh, don't want to put my overclocker in there. Okay, it took forever for me to get power back up. Like it took me like 2 days, literally. After trying to charge my electric wrench and both the generator that I had here last time, it's now gone because I'm trying to be as eco-friendly as I possibly can. Solar panels and those down there was a random wire sticking out. I accidentally said random. I'm Random Assassin. Brilliant. Bloody freaking brilliant. See, I'm gonna set up a quarry soon, actually. Quarry is just that good. Finished. Come on, bro, skillets. Nope. Screw it, I'm just gonna have to charge up my range. So yeah. Good job. Oh wow. Normally this would have gone straight to fudge. I'm probably gonna have to cut off the power for an hour or two. MCP is Minecraft Pinball, by the way, guys. Slash the craft. Oh, voltage got off. Master voltage. Lol. What else do I need for a macerator, actually? Flint, machine block, cobble. Alright, yeah, sure. So yeah, it's just... I almost forgot there's something. So because my macerator exploded, I'm not happy. I am having none of it. None of that, bro. None of that, bro. Dungeon 3, 4 repeater. Redstone repeater, maybe? So I need 1, 2, 3. And then I need 1, 2. And I'm missing 2 cobble. 1, 2, yay, I got it all. I need to make my Selpiot. So yeah, you can also do it with the wires going like that and like that, and the redstone above and below, but I like to do it like this, because it looks really cool. Don't ask me why, but it just looks really cool. And look there, perfect. So all that's left to do is to make the hollow square that is a machine block. So there, there, here, 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 there. Macerator. Can't believe it exploded. So yeah, the overclocker was in here, I believe. And again, there. And there. And there. There. And I should put the iron dust back in there. So yeah, I'm going to make another overclocker for the macerator actually, so I need 3 cells, 3 empty cells, guys. 3 empties. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, it was just bugging. So how do I think over? No, that's gonna bug a lot of people. Overclocker. So I need 3 coolant sounds. Right. It should be simple enough to make. I don't even know. Right. 3 coolant cells. That requires the extractor. Yeah. So extractors. And the cells only stack up to 1 coolants. Coolant cells are ideally for nuclear reactors, but I don't want anything to explode. I'm not going to take risks. The because risks are dangerous as guys, okay? Okay. Plus I really have nowhere to build it. I'm gonna try to make a wind turbine. Windmill. That's right. Generator. Oh wow, that's really easy to make. So yeah, I need a battery again. And of course, tin is over here. I haven't set my red power room again yet, so bear with me, I'll set that back up. So yeah, so show you guys how to make an alloy furnace. You can buy that. It's a combo. And then project table. Don't really pay attention much to, well, the video. 16 minutes, wow. Feels like a lot more. So yeah, I'm gonna have like a bar or something up here with the top floor. Spicy melon. Maybe Melon Polk's older brother? Younger brother? Maybe Melon Polk himself? Who knows? Because I don't. Oh, it's been trying. Yeah. I remember what I needed here. I got the power MFs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, generator. So yeah, a battery. I also need machine locks. So there are 2 ways to make generators, really. I think the server just crashed. Oh no, I crashed. So yeah.